Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add geolocation currency selector to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Now currency could be playing a big part when you're trying to sell your products in different regions. For this exact purpose, what you're going to do is head over to your settings from the bottom left side of your screen. Then you can see that we have shipping. You have this market section. Let me show you where it is. If you simply go below shipping and delivery, your taxes, location, and then we can find this markets with a dollar sign, right? That is the exact thing that we are looking for. And in here, you're going to be adding different markets and people will be able to select through those. Or what you can do is simply head over to the app store and make sure you search in there for, you can say like currency, and a lot of currency page builder and integrations are going to pop up that you can use into your store and going to help you to select your currency based on the location and region. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.